As many of you know, content creation is the best way to get clients for your business. It's the best way to predictably scale. And the cool thing about creating content is that if done correctly, it can be a fully automated way to acquire customers so that you can spend time doing what actually moves your business forward. You can literally reach thousands of people every single day. And if your content is actually valuable, meaning you've gained an audience's trust, then those people that you've reached will actually buy from you or become some of your happiest clients. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create better content faster leveraging artificial intelligence. Transparently, I'll be walking you through our own internal processes we use on a daily basis, along with some of our favorite apps that incorporate AI that make us work more efficiently. And if you've been out of the loop as to what AI is over the past couple of months, it's totally okay because we're still incredibly early. There are still plenty of people not using it in their business, and so by implementing artificial intelligence in yours, you can drastically streamline your current operations and even surpass your competition. AI is quite simply an algorithm that can perform higher level tasks that require human intelligence. It is a game changer for us creators because we can use it to save us time in assisting in generating high quality content more efficiently than ever before, from generating content ideas, writing out scripts, creating social media captions, typing out blog posts, responding to messages, all within seconds. And a quick warning, if you don't have 20 to 30 minutes to invest into your business or invest into your brand, learning a tool that can literally transform your entire business, then you're probably not going to make it far with building a brand and especially scaling a business. So with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get into this step-by-step guide on how you can start using AI to create content. So the first thing is having a clear offer. Start by asking yourself, what is it that I'm offering to my prospects or to the people that I'm trying to attract? Is it a product? Is it a service? Is it productized yet? Is it an irresistible offer, an absolute no-brainer when people buy? Does it solve a problem or a need? Make sure to have this dialed in before you create content. Obviously, you aren't creating content for the purpose of just being on social media. As a creator, you need to create content to capture attention, deliver value, and create an opportunity to monetize from. So if I'm a content creator struggling, trying to come up with my offers, or I'm trying to test them out, I would use Ideaify to help me clearly define them. Now, the first thing I would do is I would go to app.ideaify.ai. Getting started is completely free. You actually don't have to put a credit card on file. You can actually start using AI to generate new content ideas, or in this example, come up with better offers leveraging AI. So the first step that we are going to do is we're actually going to sign up for a free account using Ideaify. Okay, Ideaify costs $30 a month right now for our early bird special, until we're going to move it up to $50 a month once we release. So guys, make sure to get in. Now, if you just want to try it out for yourself, which is totally fine, we actually do have a free plan, which I highly recommend because you literally don't have anything to lose. Sign up and create an account here. You will get sent an email verification just to make sure that it's you. But once you go ahead and type in that verification code to this page over here, then you'll be able to sign up. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in on my end. So once we are inside of our app, let's go ahead and create an offer. I want to use the irresistible offers tool. I'm going to go into brainstorming and ideation, and I'm going to click on the tool that says craft irresistible offers. I'm going to fill in my industry or niche. Since I've filled this out before, I'm actually just going to use one of these drop downs right over here. Credentials. So once I've filled in the important information to the best of my ability, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to click generate. Boom. So Ideaify now has helped me create 4 different offers. We have a free offer, a low ticket offer, medium ticket offer, and a high ticket offer, just to help me ideate what I can offer to my audience. The free offer, we have the no code AI content creator starter package. Low ticket offer, we have the basic package, and then we also have the plus package and premium package right over here, and then also help me come up with different pricing models as well. The next thing is defining your niche. So what audience are you trying to go after? Are you targeting local businesses, agency owners, or e-com brands? Whoever it is, you need to make sure that it is clear so that you can understand exactly who you're trying to attract. So if I'm struggling trying to define my niche and the people who I'm trying to target, I would use Ideaify's niche finder tool in addition to our target audience tool to help point me in the right direction. For this example, I'm going to try to define who it is I should target for my brand. Okay, so I'm going to go into brainstorming and ideation, and you'll find the niche finder tool here in addition to the target audience tool. So just like the last one, I'm going to input the information to the best of my ability. Then I'm just going to go ahead and hit generate. Awesome. So within a matter of seconds, Ideaify helped me pretty much call out my audience that I should attract. So right over here, it's just going to give me direction in which I can follow to help me find my niche. Now, the next thing that we're going to try is try to find our target audience, right? So I'm going to go back in brainstorming and ideation, and I'm going to click target audience. It's going to help me define the target audience that I'm trying to attract to build a loyal following within my niche. So it's important to use both of these tools to help me define exactly who it is I'm going after. So just like the last one, we're going to go ahead and fill in the information to the best of our ability. And then we're just going to click generate. Boom. And just like that, Ideaify helped me come up with a target audience to go after. So right over here, it says like startup founders and CEOs, tech industry professionals, small business owners and operators. It kind of broke down like demographics, the geographics, the psychographics, challenges and pain points, goals, and other key stats. So if I'm struggling trying to figure out who it is I'm trying to target, then this is a very helpful tool to use leveraging artificial intelligence. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is select a platform. Think of this as the vehicle that is going to deliver your message to your audience. Remember, your content needs to be optimized specifically for the platform that you choose. Think of Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. The way that I like to think of content is pretty much broken down into a quadrant. As you can see, we have short form and long form content, and we also have video and text with specific platforms in each quadrant. Now, if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend picking one platform, sticking to it, focusing on the process on how you're going to create volume. Because at the end of the day, volume negates luck. And however many posts you think you need to put out in order to hit your goals, realistically, as a beginner, it's easy to underestimate the amount of volume you actually need in order to see some tangible results. So it's important to put out more posts than you think is necessary in order to reach your goals. Now, after you've chosen your platform, you need to come up with content ideas. And instead of trying to think of them yourself or to be scrolling on social media trying to find inspiration, what you should post about, I'm going to use AI to help me come up with personalized content ideas that will perform and also fit my brand. So again, we're actually going to be using Ideaify on this one, specifically the content topic ideas tool. For this example, I'm going to try to generate some content topic ideas that I can create content around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into brainstorming and ideation, and it's going to be inside of here under content topic ideas. Let's go ahead and fill in the information to the best of our ability to generate some content topic ideas to work around. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna hit generate, and boom, there we have 5 content topic ideas that we can record content about. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna bookmark this to save it for later because we're gonna be using it. If you feel like you want to copy it into your clipboard, that is an option as well. Now, the next thing is, if you're recording videos, is to script everything out. Now, some people can just get on camera and talk naturally, and some people need a little bit more support being in front of the camera. However, the way that I like to think about it is that scalability is repeatability. And if you're able to script, let's just say 10 short form video scripts, and you're able to just film everything in one sitting, it's going to be a hell of a lot easier to edit everything in post and turn around much faster and way more efficiently as compared to just winging it on camera. Since I've generated my content ideas, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to script everything out. All I'm doing is I'm taking that idea and expanding it with the frameworks of the platform that I'm going to be posting on. And I'm going to save that for when I'm going to put it into a teleprompter and press record, which we'll go over shortly. Let's just say I want to create a bunch of short form videos to post on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts to repurpose with the content ideas Ideaify helped me create. Now, on my computer, I'm going to use the short form video script tool for every idea that I have, and then I'm actually going to use that for my scripts. So it's actually going to be under post-production and video, and then we're going to click the short form script tool. Now, if I forgot what my content ideas were, I can actually go and see the history under account settings right over here, history. In fact, I actually saved it in my bookmark, so it should pop up right over here, just like that. So I really like number 2, how AI is changing content creation. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that content topic idea, and then I'm actually going to input that information in the short form script tool. And then I'm just going to paste it right over here. Then I'm going to select my platform. Let's just say I want to create an Instagram reel. And then once I've filled in the information to the best of my ability, again, I'm just going to hit generate. Boom. And just like that, Ideaify just helped me create a short form video script using the content topic idea that it helped me generate earlier and helped me script it out. Obviously, this is going to be something to draw inspiration from. So this is going to be considered a draft. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bookmark this, save it for later, and then I can also copy this in my clipboard. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the content area to film. Again, as I said, since I have all of these scripts, right, it's going to be a lot easier to just use like a teleprompter, which I'm using now, to film all of them in one sitting. So real quick, I'll give you an overview outside of this current setup on how everything works, you know, what app I like to use, the equipment I use, the teleprompter that I recommend, and some other tips on filming. So guys, here is my content setup. Don't get overwhelmed with everything here because it's actually fairly simple. So as you can see, I have my teleprompter right over here, which my camera is right behind it, and I have my iPad on the bottom, which is actually mirroring words that I'm literally reading off of the screen, but it looks like I'm looking directly in the camera. After that, I have an optional monitor right over here so I can see myself, how I look on the camera, and then I'm using a video editing / production / AI software tool that helps me record everything all at once. Now, once I have all of those videos filmed, let's go ahead and design some thumbnails. This is actually optional, but sometimes I like to create thumbnails on Instagram, or I actually just use its native cover image with a frame in the video. For more custom thumbnails, I personally use Canva. It's $15 a month or $120 a year, and literally all of the graphics we use for Ideaify is created in Canva. It's easy to use, and there are so many templates for you to choose from to pretty much create anything you need. Now, the next thing you need to do is to edit the raw videos. Now, if you've followed my filming process, where I've already had my, I have my camera synced to my computer that is going directly into Descript, like over here, I'll go ahead and import the videos in there to edit each video. So I'll give you a quick example of that right now. Alrighty guys, so I'm inside of Descript right now, and I'm about to show you real quick how to edit a video. Again, this is actually a video editing software that uses artificial intelligence to help you edit your videos faster and easier. It actually transcribes your voice so that you can edit your videos just like how you'd be editing a Word document. I pay for their pro plan. It's like $30 a month. Again, this is not a paid promotion. I'll leave the link below. This is just a software we've been using and what I personally recommend to use. So for example, I'm going to choose a segment that I like, right? I'm going to go into a composition called test. I'm actually going to paste it in right over here. And you can see that I have this video that I clipped. Now let's just say I want to create a short form reel out of this. I'm going to go ahead and do portrait. I'm going to size this accordingly, just like that. Let's go ahead and insert some captions. So I'm going to hit Control All and then hit some captions. Boom. Let's go customize these captions. I don't like that white background. Let's make it like that. Boom. Custom. The background, let's go ahead and make that transparent. You can change the color to like red, like kind of like yellow. And just like that, I created a short form video that is caption leveraging AI. Last but not least, when creating content, we just need to be patient, and we need to understand that it will take commitment, because you're probably going to suck on your first video, your second video, maybe your third video, but that's okay. Remember, you are playing the long game, as this is the channel that you are going to commit to, because it is the channel that is going to be making you money in the long run. And all you need to do is create a process that works for you once and keep pumping out valuable content for your audience to consume. It's simply just a numbers game, because at the end of the day, the thing that I love about content creation, especially compared to other ways of client acquisition, is that it's much more scalable. It is significantly higher leverage, especially when you're establishing a personal brand. And the cool thing about it is that you're leveraging an acquisition channel that is 100% free. So if you are doing this correctly, you're selling products or services organically by creating content, you could potentially be getting paid to market. And that's when you have the ultimate leverage to win. So hopefully this step-by-step video was valuable as to how you can use AI to create better content faster. And if you've liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and that shows us that this video was worth doing and you got something from it. And if you haven't already, and if you're looking to grow your brand or your business using AI, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve the success amongst your competitors. And again, I'll put all the links down below in our free resources tab covering everything we've talked about so that you can have easy access to it. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to just leave them down below, or you can just direct message us on Instagram and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.